So today I'm sat here with one of our clients, Green Plus Energy, so their director, Fassi. So I believe Green Plus have been with us now for the last 2 to 3 months, running their online lead generation. So yeah, Fassi, do you want to start with a bit of a brief introduction about Green Plus Energy, what you guys do, and yeah, just a bit of an introduction to the business.
So, Green Plus Energy Solutions, we're relatively new in the market and we're focusing on GBS, loft and heating controls, and in Eco4 with boilers, lofts, and heating controls primarily.
Amazing. And just for anyone that's watching, would you mind just starting with a bit of a overview of where you were at before you started working with us? So a few months ago, sort of what the main challenges you were facing with getting more leads in were.
So, the online lead generation was an issue for us, and we were trying with different companies. And it was always they promised something big, and we were not getting the results anywhere near that was promised. And since we have switched on to BLC, we have seen a gradual progress in our installs, which is very reassuring for us to continue working with these guys.
Amazing. So, kind of when you came on board with us, what were the main differences you noticed from the previous campaigns? Was it kind of our service of calling the leads up? Was it the quality of the leads? Yeah, what was the main thing that stood out to you?
Quality of leads for sure was better, and second thing that I really noticed and we appreciated so much was the response your team gives, how quickly they respond and how prompt they are with if we need something adjusting. That it's not a 2 3 days process. It
Yeah.
happens straight away, and communication being so good, it was a big green flag for us.
Yeah, well, that's good to hear. So it's nice to hear that you've enjoyed kind of the customer service from us. And
Yeah.
then I think a worry for a lot of people that haven't done online marketing yet is putting a lot of money in or spending a lot of time without seeing the results quite quickly. So do you mind sort of running through how quickly you were able to book in those first few surveys and start booking in those first few installs?
Yeah, so it was like within first week, first 7 to 10 days, we were
Yeah,
able to book. Leads were coming through. We were ringing them up and booking them for surveys, and then subsequent installs. So it was good, pretty straightforward and quick. Yeah.
amazing. And then I think we're exactly 2 months in now, I believe. So do you know roughly how many installations you've got in the pipeline from our leads? So the ones that you've fitted plus the ones that are going through survey at the moment? Because it must be 15 to 20 kind of in the pipeline at the moment, at least.
I believe it is around installations. I think it's so, yeah, combined it would be around 15. Yeah. So ones we have
Amazing.
fitted already and the ones that are in pipeline.
Well, that's really good to hear for the first couple of months because I think for a lot of people it can be the slowest period. Obviously, if we're a completely new campaign, but the fact you've already got those 15 installs kind of lined up within the first couple of months, what's the
Yeah.
plan for the next? I know we briefly had a chat about it before we started recording. What's the plan for the next few months? Is it to keep spending more of us, keep generating more leads?
Of course, we are looking to double down on our budget in hopes to increase our sales, of course, and subsequent installs. So we like what we're seeing at the moment, and we're looking to double down.
Amazing. And then looking a little bit longer term, can you see yourself working with BLC for the next, 12 to 18 months, even beyond
Absolutely.
that?
Absolutely. We are looking to work with you guys longer term. Yeah.
Amazing. And then a couple of final questions from my side is, was there anything that surprised you about working with us? Because I know you've tried a few different companies before, but was there something that you didn't expect from us or was different to what you tried previously?
So we have had two horrible experiences with online lead generation beforehand.
Yeah,
Most of the time, the companies we were working with, there were just one or two people who were working and looking after things,
yeah,
and the replies, the customer service was bad, and everything took so longer to fix. Even if little things, you have to let them know and then they get back to you, and that
yeah,
becomes a thing. So what we really like about BLC, that you guys are working, the team is larger, definitely.
yeah,
Team is larger, and the way you guys respond so quickly, and through WhatsApp, it's just easier. It makes things
Yeah.
much easier. Yeah.
Amazing. So if someone is a bit unsure about working with BLC, so say that they, like you, had bad experiences or they've never generated leads online before, what would you say to them? Would you say to give us a try? Would you recommend us?
Absolutely, 100%. I would at least give you guys 2, 3 months, and I'm sure they'll see the results for themselves. Yeah.
Amazing. Well, Fassi, it's been a pleasure working with Green Plus so far in the first couple of months, and I know we're excited at BLC to see where we can take you over the next year or two. So yeah, thanks for your time. It was great speaking.
Thank you. Thanks. No problem. Thanks.